Welcome to this in-depth review of Jesse, a Python-based algorithmic trading bot designed for crypto traders who want to backtest and automate their trading strategies. Jesse is a powerful framework that offers a range of features, including historical data backtesting, real-time trading execution, and an intuitive API for developing custom trading strategies. In this video, I'll take you through a detailed exploration of the platform, showcasing its capabilities, limitations, and overall user experience. Upon entering Jesse's website, you will immediately notice its clean and developer-friendly interface. It is designed primarily for traders who have some experience with coding, particularly in Python, as the platform allows for extensive customization of trading strategies. Jesse supports multiple cryptocurrency exchanges, enabling users to execute automated trades in real time. One of the key strengths of Jesse is its backtesting functionality. Backtesting allows traders to simulate their strategies using historical market data before deploying them in live trading. This helps in refining and optimizing strategies, reducing potential losses caused by untested trading algorithms. Jesse provides a detailed performance report after each backtest, including important metrics such as profit and loss, Sharpe ratio, and maximum drawdown. The platform also supports paper trading, which is useful for testing strategies in real time without risking actual funds. This feature is especially beneficial for those who want to validate their trading models under real market conditions before going live. Jesse integrates seamlessly with major exchanges, providing direct API access for executing trades without requiring manual intervention. Jesse's modular architecture makes it easy to customize and scale trading strategies. Users can create, modify, and optimize their strategies with Python, leveraging Jesse's built-in indicators and strategy templates. The platform also offers robust risk management tools, allowing users to set stop losses, take profit levels, and position sizing parameters. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. Despite its strengths, Jesse does have some limitations. Since it is a self-hosted solution, users need to have a VPS or a dedicated server to keep their trading bot running 24/7. This might be a barrier for beginners who are not familiar with server management. Additionally, Jesse is not a plug-and-play bot, meaning it requires some programming knowledge to develop and implement strategies effectively. The documentation provided by Jesse is comprehensive, covering everything from installation to strategy development. However, for those unfamiliar with algorithmic trading, there may be a learning curve. Fortunately, the active community and Discord server provide support and insights from experienced users. When it comes to pricing, Jesse offers a free and open source framework, but users might need to pay for VPS hosting and exchange API access. Unlike other trading bots that come with monthly subscription fees, Jesse's open source nature makes it a cost-effective solution for traders who prefer a customizable approach to algo trading. Overall, Jesse is a solid choice for traders who have coding experience and are looking for a flexible, powerful, and self-hosted trading bot. It provides extensive backtesting capabilities, real-time execution, and customizable strategy development. However, it is best suited for users who are comfortable with Python and willing to set up and manage their own trading infrastructure. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on trading tools and automation software. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with Jesse or if you have any questions about algorithmic trading. Thanks for watching.